What's up, YouTube? This is none other than Devon Brown, and I am going to sing Bruno Mars' It Will Rain. Well, attempt to sing it, so here we go. Have I find this good karaoke? Here we go. If you ever leave me, baby, leave some morphine at my door. 'Cause it would take a whole lot of medication to realize what we used to have. We don't have it anymore. There's no religion that can save me. No matter how long my knees are on the floor. So keep in mind all the sacrifices I'm making to keep you by my side, to keep you from walking out the door. 'Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. And just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same if you walk away. Every day it'll rain, rain, rain. My friend Justin.
He's trying to get me a noise complaint kicked out.
I'll never be your mother's favorite. Your daddy can't even look me in the eye. Ooh, if I was in their shoes, I'd be doing the same thing. Saying, there goes my little girl, walking with that troublesome guy. But they're just afraid of something they can't understand. Ooh. Okay, I'm done. That's all I'm gonna do for y'all. Cause you know when them karaoke's it's too quiet. You know when to stop. You know when you need to stop recording.
Actually, he about to be late for work.
And that too. So what I'm gonna do is where's that thing at? Where's the webcam?
You see, he's just forgetting all kind of everything.
By the way, this is my friend Joseph Momo.
I'm his producer. Go to my page
He ain't my producer.
and check out our parody video we got coming out.
Okay, and that'll be all. So adios amigos.